Have you ever wondered how touchscreens work? There are two main types of touchscreens. One of them is the resistive touchscreen, like when you check out at the grocery store. The way this kind works is there's a flexible layer on top, and when you push down on it, it touches another layer underneath and completes an electrical circuit. Another type of touchscreen is the capacitive, like this iPad and iPhone. Did you know that your skin conducts electricity? It does. Your skin conducting electricity is how capacitive touchscreens work. When your skin touches the screen, it sends a small electrical charge to the screen, completing an electrical circuit. There are two types of capacitive touchscreens: surface capacitive and projective capacitive. The surface capacitive works by having a clear electrode panel placed on top of a glass panel. When your finger touches it, some of the charge from the screen transfers to your fingers and can tell where on the X and Y axis this happened. One drawback of the surface capacitive screen is that it only has one point recognition. This is because it works on an X and Y axis. If you have 1 point, the screen registers its X location and its Y location. However, if you have 2, then it has 2 X locations and 2 Y locations. It doesn't know which X belongs to which Y. The type of touchscreens that our iPads use is the projective capacitive. These are made of a piece of glass with an IC chip and transparent electrode films in it, creating a 3-dimensional electrostatic field. When a finger touches it, the ratio of electrical currents change, and the device can detect where it changed and therefore where it was touched. That may have been a bit confusing, so here's a more simple explanation. Imagine a clear, thin, rectangular box like you see here, and there are a bunch of electrodes in it, which are the little pink dots. When your finger touches the outside of the box, like there, the amount of electrodes inside the box around your finger lessens. The sensors, like those blue things, can detect where the electrodes lessened and can therefore detect where your finger touched the box. I hope you can recognize the different touchscreens based on what you learned in this presentation.